Buongiorno! Get ready to embark on a journey through one of the most captivating countries in the world. Italy will ignite your senses and take your breath away with its majestic architecture, mouth-watering cuisine, and stunning natural beauty. You will witness the birthplace of the Renaissance in Florence, stroll through the ancient streets of Rome, and bask in the coastal views of the Amalfi Coast. So, here are 10 of the best places to visit in Italy. Number 10. Naples. This gem of southern Italy is an incredible blend of history, culture, food, and natural beauty. Located in the heart of Campania, Naples is one of the most vibrant and colorful cities in the country. With an abundance of archaeological sites and museums, the city offers a great glimpse into its ancient past. If you're a music lover, then you'll be thrilled to discover that Naples is known as the birthplace of opera. The city's Teatro di San Carlo is one of the oldest and most prestigious opera houses in the world. Here, you can immerse yourself in a rich musical tradition that's been alive for centuries. But wait, there's more: the food. Naples is world-renowned for its pizza, which was actually born here. Savor the flavors of authentic Neapolitan pizza made with fresh mozzarella, San Marzano tomatoes, and fragrant basil. But that's not all. Indulge in other traditional dishes such as spaghetti alle vongole, capri salad, and sfogliatella, a mouth-watering pastry filled with creamy ricotta cheese. Number 9. Milan. Milan is the city that has it all. The mere mention of its name conjures up images of chic fashion, art, and incredible food. This city truly has a pulse of its own that captivates anyone who steps into it. As you wander through Milan's vibrant streets, you'll be immediately struck by the city's unique blend of ancient and modern architecture. Everywhere you turn, you'll be greeted by dazzling landmarks, such as the Duomo di Milano, famed as one of the world's most magnificent cathedrals. But Milan is much more than just a city of stunning architecture. It is a haven for fashion enthusiasts who flock to the city's Quadrilatero della Moda, home to some of the world's most renowned designer boutiques, from Gucci to Prada, Armani to Versace. Milan is the ultimate destination for high-end fashion lovers. Number 8. Siena. Siena is a city that seems to be straight out of a fairy tale. Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Tuscany, this picturesque town boasts of a rich history and medieval architecture that will leave you mesmerized. At the heart of Siena is undoubtedly the Piazza del Campo, a spectacular square that is like no other. With its unique shell shape, the piazza is the perfect place to soak in the city's vibrant atmosphere. The Fonte Gaia fountain at its center adds a touch of dazzle, and the Torre del Mangia Tower offers stunning views of the city. The annual Palio horse race of Siena is an exhilarating event that sees rival neighborhoods compete against each other in a fierce race around the Piazza del Campo. The passion and energy that surround this race are infectious, and it's certainly an experience that will stay with you forever. Also famed as a foodie's paradise, Siena's wealth of delicious Tuscan cuisine is waiting to be explored. From the mouth-watering peachy pasta to the crunchy Cantucci biscuits and the velvety Chianti wine, this city's culinary offerings are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Number 7. Pompeii. Prepare to step back in time and discover one of the most captivating destinations in Italy. This ancient, legendary city is like no other, with its fascinating history, tragic demise, and remarkable preservation, which provides you with a unique and immersive experience that you will never forget. Imagine wandering through the ancient ruins of Pompeii, where the bustling streets once teemed with life and the grand architecture of public buildings, villas, temples, and forums still stand proudly. The story of Pompeii is both heartbreaking and inspiring. Buried under ash and pumice after the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, the city remained hidden and untouched for centuries until its rediscovery in the 18th century. Today, Pompeii is a significant site for historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike, offering a window into a bygone era that is as mesmerizing as it is haunting. Number 6. Lake Como. Nestled in the shadow of the towering Italian Alps, Lake Como is a destination that embodies the grandeur and romance of Italy. The lake's crystal-clear waters, surrounded by lush green forests and rolling hills, create a mesmerizing and dramatic backdrop that has captivated visitors for centuries. As you gaze out at the lake's shimmering surface, the grandeur of historic villas and grand palaces dotted along the shoreline take your breath away. At night, the lake is bathed in a mystical glow, creating an unforgettable atmosphere that is nothing short of magical. Whether you're exploring the charming towns that dot the shoreline, enjoying a glass of wine at one of the many lakefront cafes, or simply admiring the view from a boat on the water, Lake Como is a destination that leaves an indelible impression on your soul. Number 5. Amalfi Coast. Experience the enchantment of the Amalfi Coast, a true gem of the Mediterranean that boasts some of the most breathtaking scenery in Italy. Settled in the southern part of the country, this stunning stretch of coastline is a haven for those seeking sun, sea, and adventure. From the vibrant villages of Positano and Amalfi to the picturesque town of Ravello, the Amalfi Coast is a paradise that offers something for everyone. When you visit the Amalfi Coast, you will be astonished at the dramatic cliffs that tower above the Tyrrhenian Sea, providing spectacular vistas of the sparkling waters below. Soak up the sun on pristine beaches with crystal-clear waters and white sand, or explore the ancient churches, museums, and other landmarks that dot the region. Number 4. Cinque Terre. Escape to the picturesque villages of Cinque Terre, a true beauty of the Italian Riviera that will steal your heart away. This collection of 5 stunning fishing villages perched along the Ligurian coast is a sight to behold. With its colourful houses, rugged landscape, and pristine waters that shimmer in the Mediterranean sun, it's no wonder that Cinque Terre has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The villages are connected by a scenic hiking trail that winds through the hills and offers unparalleled views of the sea and surrounding countryside. Take a leisurely stroll along the trail and discover the hidden nooks and crannies of these charming villages, with their historic churches, bustling markets, and local shops selling handmade crafts and delicacies. Number 3. Venice. Step into a world of Gothic and Renaissance opulence as you explore the charming city of Venice. From the jaw-dropping St. Mark's Basilica to the impressive Doge's Palace, you'll be dazzled by the outstanding architecture at every turn. Venice isn't just a feast for the eyes either, it's a cultural hotspot too. Discover Venetian art and history at the city's many museums and galleries, each offering a unique glimpse into the city's rich past. And let's not forget about the canals, Venice's most iconic feature. Take a romantic gondola ride or explore the waterways on a thrilling water taxi adventure. The city's many bridges, including the famous Rialto Bridge, offer unparalleled views of the cityscape and are photographers' dream come true. Number 2. Florence. Indulge your senses and immerse yourself in the enchanting city of Florence, also known as Firenze. This solitaire of Italy is an absolute must-visit destination, offering a cultural and artistic heritage that is second to none. Prepare to be awed by the stunning works of Renaissance art, including the iconic Michelangelo's David and Leonardo da Vinci's Annunciation. This city is a living museum with astounding architecture, picture-perfect cobblestone streets, and charming piazzas at every turn. Tuck into the city's trattorias, osterias, and gelaterias, which offer authentic Italian fare that will leave you yearning for more. And number 1, Rome. Welcome to Rome. This ancient city has been a symbol of power and engineering for thousands of years. And nowhere is this more evident than at the awe-striking Colosseum. As you explore this notable structure, you'll feel transported back in time, imagining the gladiators and wild animals that once roamed its corridors. Rome has so much more to offer than just the Colosseum as well. The Vatican City, the world's smallest state, is a sanctuary of art and religion. Here you can be surprised at the beauty of St. Peter's Basilica. Gaze in wonder at the masterpiece of the Sistine Chapel and explore the Vatican museums, which house some of the world's most iconic art and artifacts. As you wander through Rome's streets, you'll be surrounded by architectural feats that reflect the city's rich history. The Pantheon, the Trevi Fountain, and the Spanish Steps are among the must-sees for anyone visiting Rome.